So it's all to get down. That's a good view Sammy has.
Wow, this one's crazy.
I like it. Oh, that's so cool. Ooh, and it reveals that. The views are amazing. So you have the river on this side, which takes all the boats, and then on the right side it's just all rice fields. Absolutely stunning.
Hey everyone, we're Sammy and Tommy and we are currently exploring Vietnam. This is part 2.5 out of a 3-part series showing you all of the best things to do in Tam Coc, Trang An, and Ninh Binh. In today's video, we will be showing you the rewarding hike up to Hang Hoa Peak. Tune in to the next one where we finish up the series and explore the beautiful UNESCO Trang An boat tour.
What's up, you guys? It is our last morning here in Tam Coc. We haven't showed you guys, but every morning at this homestay they actually serve us breakfast, and it's been so good. So we're gonna show you what that's like this morning. Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
Good. How are you?
Yeah, good.
Good.
Juice for breakfast?
Please.
Yeah.
And pancake. Is that okay?
Yeah, okay.
Okay, sweet.
And black coffee?
Good morning. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, Mom.
Morning.
Morning, Sammy. Morning, Dad.
Beautiful morning too. Birds are singing this morning.
So this homestay is called Sunshine Homestay. It's less than $25 a night. It's one of our favorite places. The bed is super comfy, these views are amazing, and it's so centrally located. Definitely recommend it, and it includes a delicious breakfast. The family here is so sweet. If you do come to Tam Coc, stay here. It's kind of out of the city a little bit, so it's very quiet. Oh, it's so beautiful at night too. Sunshine Homestay, you're welcome. So they have a little rooftop up here and it overlooks everything nearby. It's pretty cool. We're kind of built right into these limestone cliffs, but such a beautiful location.
Thank you. I do love some watermelon juice.
Oh, that's good. Tastes like watermelon, real watermelon.
Morning.
Thank you.
Ooh, that looks good.
Thank you. I think I want that one. It looks crispy on the edges.
Sammy's had this 6 days in a row and she still wants some more.
Yeah, because it's delicious, and when you eat eggs every day, a banana pancake hits the spot.
They also serve
Thank
us
you.
bread, and Mom got the omelet. It is a beautiful day here in Tam Coc. The sun is out and we're heading to the Hang Hoa Cave. I think it's a short scooter ride away and it looks beautiful. It's called a cave, but it's actually known for its viewpoint. There's a big dragon sculpture on top and it just overlooks the whole area. We've been waiting for this one for the very last day. It's supposed to be the highlight, and I think Tet Holiday just got finished, so hopefully it's not very crowded.
Got the door locked.
So on top of this viewpoint is a dragon sculpture. It looks very large and very cool. I love dragons.
I like turtles. All right.
I can't wait to drone it.
Bye, thank you.
Let's break out. Come on, let's break out. So everybody break out. We about to, it's time. Let's go, let's ride, let's roll. Got me feeling so free now. This is exactly what I need. You're knocking down the door. Turn up a little more. Hey, what you waiting for? We on the map. I can take you now where the party at. We the ones that he just let into the back. We the misfits. How you gon' react? We insomniacs. We ain't gonna sleep. Break the rules, can't stay on beat. Make a move, running through the streets. A to Z, Please follow my lead. Ain't status quo, this is rock and roll. This is how
We just pulled up to Hang Ma Cave. It's pretty funny, the parking people here are pretty intense. We were driving down this dirt road to the entrance and this lady got out there and said, "Stop, park here." They're trying to get your business, but she was so crabby and mean. We actually had to sneak by her, pretend like we were leaving and drove past her, and then found a lady who was smiling and invited us into her parking lot, and she got our business. Friendliness pays.
They're so cute.
Here's a baby goat. Hello. Look how cute you are, little one. He's like an old soul. How old are you, buddy? So we just got our tickets. It was 100,000 dong each. We'll do that up. Thank you. Thank you. And looks like it gets you into this little park area. It's the first side of all the stairs. I guess there's 500 stairs up to the top. It actually looks really cool.
After you park, you will walk past the Hang Ma Eco Lodge before arriving to the start of the hike. This area is full of cute little photo opportunities like swings, flowers, gardens, and waterfalls. They even have a heart-shaped boardwalk through the lily pads.
All right, 500 steps. Here we go.
It takes about 30 to 45 minutes to climb the 500 steps to the top. When you reach the top, there are two paths you can take. One path will lead you to the dragon overlooking the valley and the layered limestone cliffs. The other path will guide you to a small pagoda that offers equally stunning views over the river and a great photo opportunity.
All right, we made it up top. It is beautiful up here, super sketchy. These rocks are not the best footholds. There is quite a bit of people. I'd recommend coming early at like sunrise, but the views are amazing. So you have the river on this side, which takes all the boats, and then on the right side it's just all rice fields. Absolutely stunning.
If you ever find yourself in Ninh Binh, we highly recommend this challenging climb up Hang Ma. It is so worth it. It is so packed, but the view is beautiful. You can see why everyone wants to come up here. Like when you walk out on the ledge towards the dragon, it is so steep, and I didn't walk out just not because I was scared, but because I didn't trust the people. There were so many people and there was no line or anything, but Tommy went out and put the drone up and the views are absolutely stunning.
That was so cool.
All right, time to head down.
You're
beautiful kid.
Hello.
Oh, we made it out.
17-point turn. Real quick, it's time to thank the sponsors of today's video, Skillshare. If you're not familiar with Skillshare, they're an online learning community with thousands of inspiring classes for anyone who loves learning or wants to explore their creativity. Over the past 5 months, we've been learning so much with Skillshare, such as video editing, filmmaking, storytelling, and even prioritizing our self-care. This week, I've been tuning into Creativity Unleashed, Discover, Hone, and Share Your Voice with Nathaniel Drew.
My name is Nathaniel Drew, and this is a class on how to find your voice. It is my belief that you already have that voice within yourself. It's not about finding it, it's about developing skills and the tools to better listen to that voice and gain better access to it.
His course guides you through determining your value as a creator, overcoming your insecurities, and even evolving your channel as you grow. From photography and illustration to graphic design, freelancing, and more, Skillshare has thousands of inspiring classes that will meet your needs and interests. I love that Skillshare is ad-free so that you can stay in the zone while you are learning new skills. Right now, Skillshare is offering the first 1,000 of you guys who click the link in the description box below 1-month free trial of Skillshare so you can start exploring your creativity today. And back to the video.
All right, we are about to go head to Trang An again. That's where we went yesterday and we failed to get on a boat because it was way too crowded. The Tet holiday is over, almost over. We're gonna go try it again. Let's do it. We need a little pick-me-up. Time for a coffee. I have some more from India here.
All right, we're feeling super refreshed after an afternoon cup of coffee and some delicious carrot cake. We are going to go pick up some banh mi sandwiches for lunch and go hop on another boat ride.
All right, that coffee was much needed and the carrot cake was delicious. The guy just told us he actually learned it on YouTube. So thanks, YouTube.
Don't forget to watch the next one, you guys, where we finish up this series and explore the beautiful UNESCO Trang An boat tour. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps our channel and we really appreciate it. And we will see you guys in the next one.